Connect the power supply and turn on the switch. Keyboard and mouse plug into USB port. Remove the network cable, and the end without network interface can also access Wi-Fi. Turn on the power, turn on the computer. Double-click to open the Triangle Cloud Marking System. Open or download drawing, open catalog. Select the mobile phone model that needs to be disassembled in the catalog. Click the mouse on the drawing. Click to autofocus. Click F1 red light preview. Click F2 to start engraving the first pass of the bracket. Change the drawing and click F2 to start engraving for the second time. After engraving, you can easily disassemble the middle frame. It will be easier to disassemble after heating with a separator. The UV engraved screen is safer to disassemble and reduces the chance of damage.